So far on my world cycle tour, I've cycled 10,000 kilometres from the UK to the Chinese border. At this point, I had to fly home to get a Chinese visa and attend my brother's wedding. This meant leaving my bike in a man's shed and then hitchhiking with some truck drivers back to Almaty, where I could catch my flight. After a few minor technical issues with the trucks, we completed the delivery. And then I spent a few days exploring Almaty, climbing mountains,
Made it to the top. Big Almaty Peak.
and riding horses.
Yes. Horse. Hey. Choo choo. Oh bloody hell, he stopped again.
I was soon on my flight home, and then I got my hands on the elusive Chinese visa. This gave me 3 months to cover the roughly 5,500 kilometres through China.
Back in Kazakhstan. Again. Just heading towards the Chinese border now. First day back on the bike. It's good to be back. Got the Chinese visa in hand. Got 90 days. That should be good. Hopefully get all the way through with that. But yeah, let's see if we get through this border. In China. Woohoo! Get in. The clock's just jumped forward 3 hours. That's pretty mad. On one border crossing 3 hours forward. But yeah, I think quite a successful border crossing really. They just robbed me dinner. Robbed me pepperoni sausage and my apple. They don't want that in China for some reason. But yeah.
I then met Gautier, a French cyclist going to Japan. We decided to cycle together for our first week in China. It was nice to share the complete shift in culture. China is like nowhere else in the world.
Say hello. Oh my god. China are living in the future. Look at this beast. Spraying the crops with a drone. Right, we're in rural China. Just come off main road to find a camp spot. Here's tonight's spot. Not bad. Lovely. Right, I've been cycling with a French lad, Gautier, for a couple of days. I just left him, heading towards Urumqi. It's hard to find rivers here to have a wash, so my top's absolutely filthy. Bit sweaty. But yeah, I'm just having my tea. Earlier I got given this thing. Hang on. I don't know what it is. Couldn't tell you. Don't know if it's meat, fruit. I'll have a go anyway. She gave me this, and then she gave me a cloth to clean my bike. Bike's filthy apparently. Don't know what she thought of me. Christ, hang on. Right. Taste test. It's fruit. Doesn't really taste too much, to be honest. It's alright though. Chinese love the packaging. Everything's in its own little plastic bag. Now, why couldn't you put both of them in there? I don't know. Anyway. idea. Not the foggiest, what they mean. I just know I've got a long way to cycle in this wind. Last night's camp spot. The weather's just completely turned. Yesterday it was 20 degrees and a headwind all day. Now the wind's completely changed direction. It's blowing a gale and it's gone down to about 5 degrees. Bloody freezing. But I'm descending down to Turpan today, which is the start of the Gobi Desert. So it should be a bit warmer down there. Yeah, that'll be good. Looking forward to the desert. Right, let's go.
Tent, but I found it! See it? Oh, thank God! I've lost half a mile. I'm gonna have to get a lift, I think. It's too dangerous.
Lucky for me that the storm had hit right next to the only shop for miles. I spent the afternoon entertaining the shopkeepers' children and learning some Chinese.
Play. Go on. Just learning some Chinese. That's naughty.
I asked if I could wait out the storm overnight, but this was not possible. So I hopped on the back of a pickup truck with some motorbikers in the same situation, going 50 kilometres into Turpan.
Hi folks. Good day today. Smooth sailing. It's about time we had one of them. I'll just bring you into my humble abode. Right. I'm now at the northwestern edge of the Gobi Desert, supposedly. I think it's about 600 kilometres of Gobi Desert to go. There's a few resupply points, so we should be good. Just scranning on some bread. Oh yeah. Anyway, right, I'll see you in the desert. So we're fully loaded with fluid. Got some big bottles here. Got this beast, 4 litres. Does affect the handling a little bit, but it'll have to do. Just about manage with that. I've reinforced the back strap setup after my tent blew away. We don't want that happening in the desert. Instead of me flimsy rubber tyre, this was what I normally use. Just a bit of old inner tube. Put some bungee cords on it as well. Better safe than sorry. Got some Chinese snacks. These are pretty good actually. Don't know what's in them. I think they call them moon cakes. Yeah. Another sunrise in the desert. Long days here. Hello. It's good. This guy's walked 1,600 kilometres. What a top G. Perfectly spherical. I think I found aliens. Why is there a perfect sphere in the middle of the desert? Well, I just stopped for a drink and I kicked this rock. It's an interesting rock. I can't tell you why yet, but it sounds like glass. Pretty cool, eh? Wow! Does this one sound like glass? No. See, that one doesn't. But this one, oh. Cool. The Gobi Desert. Oh, someone stopped near my bike. What do they want? Let's go and have a look.
Oh, 厉害.
We got some gifts. Cheers.
Welcome to China.
Hey, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Civilization. We've got ourselves some nice ice creams after the long desert shift. Good stuff. I found David. Where did I find you? Just under a bridge.
Under a bridge.
In the middle of the Gobi Desert, a fellow Englishman.
It was nice to take a day off in Dunhuang and explore the city with David.
Found big sand dune. Wow. A lot of tourists. My wheel was slightly buckled, so I've been tightening it up with my spoke tool. But I think it's a bit more serious because it's a big crack. Might have to get that sorted. Gonna have to go find a new wheel, I think. Just leaving Dunhuang, back on road. I couldn't find a new wheel, so we're riding on the cracked one. So I'll order one ahead to Lanzhou, which is about 1,200 kilometres away. Hopefully it holds till then. Otherwise I'll be hitchhiking. Chain's squeaking a bit, but it's no problem. Because I've got some WD-1000. Yes. WD-50. Oh no, it's WD-40, isn't it normally? Yeah, 40. This must be better. Tonight's camp spot comes with its own little stool. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah. Nice. So I can sit in it, on my chair, and scram me nuts. What a lovely morning in China. It's a cold one, but lovely. Cool, blimey, look at that. Stumbled across a big wall. How's that happened? I'm at Jiayuguan, I think that's how you say it, Jiayuguan Fort. Yeah, it's the start of the Ming Dynasty Great Wall. The most western point of the wall, actually. Yeah, it's quite impressive. Not sure how much is original. Looks fairly new to me, some of it, but still pretty amazing. Yeah, right, go and explore. On the Great Wall of China. Got a bit of a sweat on climbing up there. Tell you what, kind of puts poor old Hadrian and his wall to shame, really. It's quite impressive. I mean, Hadrian's wall was only 84 miles long. This one, 13,000 miles. That's about 20,000 kilometres. Crazy. Must have been a big job putting this one up. Wow! I'm cycling on a rainbow road. Must be getting close to the Rainbow Mountain. There it is. Some Rainbow Hills. at Zhangyi Geological Park. I think that's what you call it. Getting some weird looks from all the Chinese tourists because I'm just in my lycra shorts. Without my bike, I look a right weirdo. Yeah, it's cool though. Shame it's not sunny, really. Oh, Christ. That was by far the coldest night I've had to endure yet. Below zero for sure. I woke up at 3 a bit cold, had to put more clothes on. But yeah, I'm at 2,500 metres. But hopefully that's the last cold night, because once I go over 3,000 today, it's all downhill to Lanzhou. Yes. And then should get warmer because we're going south. Right, I'm going to find a shop to get some hot tea. Oh. Made it to the top of the pass, 3,030 metres. Tell you what, the sun came out, got a sweat on now, soon warm me up. Might go and explore up there. There's the peak. There's a fence. I'm sorry to the Chinese. I'm going to the top. I've come this far. Quick. Yes. Now we're at the top. Oh, aye. Rear wheel sounds like a train. Oh dear, should hold. Yes, it just got green, hilly and nice. We're out of the desert, officially. Just rolling down into Lanzhou now. Cool. Chinese have whips. Got the new wheels. They're here. Looking good. Pretty fresh. I think it was in the nick of time. Let me find my old wheel. Look at this. It's in a bad way. I don't think it would have lasted many more days. There it is. Can't see it on this camera. I'll get a clip on my phone. But yeah, just in time. Let's get them on.
In the next episode, I sleep in a hospital
Grand that.
and watch a pig get chopped up in the street.